Hello guys, and welcome to another ZIMALETA. In today's video I'm having an issue with my Nissan Rogue here. This is my wife's SUV, and as you can see, the service engine soon light is on. That other one, pay no attention to it, the one with the tire gauge pressure. That's because we changed the rims a while back, and they don't have sensors. But what's going on is it's actually there's quite some shakiness and a little bit of loss of power. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually taking it for a test drive to see if I could simulate the problem. If I can't simulate it, then I guess it's not gonna be simulated. But what's going on is it's kind of shaking right now. It's obviously not doing it, and I believe the issue is coming from either the spark plugs or the spark plug coil packs. Let's see here. Yeah, it's actually not doing it right now. So when there's a bad spark in these gasoline engines, the sparks, they're really important. So if it's a bad spark, then it's going to look like almost like the engine's breaking. Like it's going to be some shakiness to it, and it's gonna be pretty bad. But I'm trying to see if I could simulate the issue by just giving it a little test drive. Okay, you see how it's blinking now? The service light is blinking, and it stopped blinking right now. But when it's blinking, then that means actually it's a serious problem. That means you should stop driving it. Like when it's on, it's okay. It is actually quite normal for the check engine light to be on a lot of times for the for the vehicles, and you could continue driving. Like, okay, look at that. It's shaking right now. Like there's some vibrations going on, and it almost feels like it almost has a feeling of okay, the guy in the back was just following me way too closely, so I had to really make this this turn. Can't believe it, these people just follow way too close and then they crash into you. So but anyways, it just gives it like a lot of shakes, like boom 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 boom. You know, we got the service engine light on right now. It's really doing it. Let me see if I could pull over here. Let's see if we could actually rev it up some, see if we could simulate some of these problems. So it's not always doing it, but let's see if we take off here. Okay, there's definitely a lot of shake. Okay, you could see right now the service engine light is it was actually blinking. But anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the spark plug today. So we're gonna go ahead and get back and start working on it. So let's observe the engine first while it's running. And actually you can see some smoke, and I don't know why that is, because nothing's overheating, but there's definitely some smoke over here in the back, and I could see where it's coming from. I mean, it is possible it could be other things, but this motor mount seems like it's okay. You could actually hear some knocking. I believe this is possibly caused due to some misfiring, but of course, you know, that's actually the acceleration portion. As far as the smoke goes, I don't know why that is, because it's acting as if it's overheated. And if you observe the temperature, it's actually right in the middle. That's where it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead and actually plug my unit in and do some observations. So we're trying to actually establish communication and see what we have. So it's showing us that we have multiple cylinder misfire. That's actually, so it's a PO300 code. PO300. So we're definitely reading them. Like right now, let's see if we could have more codes come up. So right now, even the smoke has stopped. But I think when it's misfire, okay, right now you could definitely hear the vibrations. Let's see what's going on. Okay, after some of those revs, it starts to vibrate again. It actually kind of stopped a little bit. But what I was saying is, when there's a misfire going on, things are not firing properly. That means maybe some fuel, it's actually not getting burned up like the way it's supposed to be, and it's causing this smoke type of issue. But let's see, I'm gonna see if I could just delete these codes. Let's see if that does anything. So I got rid of the code. The vehicle's still vibrating. And you could hear some static, the way it's actually just it's revving up. It's not really stable. Let's see if I could read codes. Has it come back again? Yeah, it says no fault codes right now. So anyways, we're gonna cut this off, start working on it.